Alright guys, let's look at the first topic in the physics one also. Let's look at electrostatics. Now, under this concept, electrostatic by definition is the study of electric charge at rest. So that just means like study of charges at rest. That's very, very important. So that's just the basic concept there. From the word electrostatic, whenever you see something static, from the word stationary, that's just the meaning. It means what? At rest. So electrostatic is the study of electric charges at rest. So that's the basic concept there. Now under this topic, it will be very short and precise. Now we're looking at first thing first, we're looking at types of electric charges. Types of electric charges there. Now, under this type of electric charges, we have basically two types of electric charge. We have the first one there. We have the positive charge, like the positive electric charge, and we have a negative charge. The positive charge with this sign, positive like this, and the negative charge. So that's just the concept of electric charges. That's the concept. Now, the next step is to look at, basically, we should look at something called the law of conservation of charges. Now, basically, when we say law of conservation of charges, it simply means that charges are not created. That's just the concept. Electric charges are not created. They are just that when we have a charged body and we bring a body like uncharged body near the charged body, it's either electric charges is transferred from the charged body to the uncharged body. That's how you can just say charges are transferred. There is no how charges are being created or destroyed. That's just the basic concept. Just like conservation of mass and conservation of energy. When it's talking about when it's talking that mass can neither or energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transferred from one form to another. That's the same concept here. Electric charges can be transferred from one body to another body through different methods. Now that's what law of conservation of electric charges is talking about. Now we have another thing we have to know here. So we have to know something of law of electrostatics. We have the law of electrostatics. Now, what is this law of electrostatics talking about? Is a common thing that everyone generally knows. This is just like so. Now, when we say law of electrostatics, it's simply stating that like charges repel while unlike charges are attract. That's just the concept there. Like charges repel. When we say like charges, that is, we are talking of is either when you have positive charge and positive charge, that's like charges. When you bring them together, they will repel. But unlike charges attract. This under like when you bring positive charge and you bring negative charge, they will attract. That's just the concept there. So when you have two charges that are of the same kind, they will repel. But when you have two charges of different, sign, they will attract. Just say a boy and a boy, they will repel because they are of the same gender. But a boy and a girl, they will attract. So that's just the concept there. Now that's basically what we're talking about, that electrostatic. We are talking about charges. Now basically, let's move to something, this is the last point here. Let's move to production of charges there. Production of charges. Whenever I mean charges, I mean what? I mean electric charges. That's just the concept. Electric charges. Production of electric charges. Now, electric